Hey guys, I'm Elliot. This is Everything Elliot. Today we've got the Mini Excavator behind me. My buddy Steve's over, learning how to operate it. Is that lens dirty? Hold on. How's that? Better? There you go. Well, excavator's behind me. We were digging some stumps out. The machine's just too small. I'm getting a bigger excavator in here anyway, so we've decided to move on project number 2. And project number 2 is getting all the cattails out of the pond. Now, obviously, we're not going to be able to get them all. The machine can't reach that far, but I do want to leave some of them because it is some habitat for bass and stuff. I do have a lot of bass in here. We enjoy fishing out here, and my pond is super low right now because it's been so dry. Normally, these cattails are underwater, but it's been so dry, they're not now. Our plan is to dig everything around and kind of leave an island of cattails, and you'll see that right here. So you can see how I dug around it. That way the cattails won't come to the edge, and then there will still be some structure for the bass to live in there and have fun and do what they want to do. So Steve is currently just working on dredging out the edge there. Cattails only grow when the water is like 3-4 inches, so if we dig down a little bit, make it a little deeper, the cattails won't grow, and we're going to take all those out as well. Again, leaving an island of cattails over there. So it'll be edge of pond, water behind it, and cattails out in the middle. So I went to go get new batteries for the GoPros and grab my tractor because I'm gonna clean up these piles while Steve is digging them out. How's he been doing so far? Leave a comment below how you think Steve's first time running an excavator, well, first day running an excavator. Go back, watch the first video of us digging out stumps, watch him when he starts versus now. Leave a comment below if you think about 2 hours of operation time he's gotten better. I mean, this one I told him is a little more delicate of a job because you don't want to dig too deep in the pond. I think he's doing a pretty good job. From what I can see, he's not leaving any scraps behind. He knows the plan. Leave a comment. How do you think he's doing? Be nice though, it's his first time.
missed it by that much.
Here, hold on 1 second. All right, well, Steve had to go home, had to tend to his puppy. He's got a little, I don't know what it is, some sort of little puppy, but can't leave it at home for so long. It's gonna be me back in the digger. We're gonna see what happens.